Yes, hello, Northeast people, Nagaland people. He's from Africa. This is your African boy, Gabs Gabi. So today I decide to check something new, guys, because I'm really so curious to know much more about the Northeast people and Nagaland and all the other state, guys. So today we are checking the Nagaland folk tale, guys. So previous I also checked for the Meghalaya Shillong people, guys. Yeah, it was really interesting. And for Meghalaya, I just came to believe that because I already visit to Shillong, Meghalaya, and I witnessed that with my eyes. And so today we are seeing the story behind the Pulie Badze Naga Folktale, guys. I don't know if this is really true, but I believe that few of this folk tale or the story was really true, and you can also let me know if this is true or not. So let's check it together, guys. Let's know much about the Naga all story, what happened with the ancestors. So let's check it out. We are reacting from Hilly Tales. This is Nagaland, guys. The Hornbill Festival famous in Nagaland.
Pulie Badze.
Many
years ago, a man named Pulie cultivated a field in the area called Khasi. All the people who knew of it feared that particular area.
Okay.
They would whisper, "Oh, it's an unclean place. There are many spirits there." Some of them said that they had seen the spirit guardians of that area. There were spirit snakes with a red crest like a rooster's on top of their heads. However, it was a great and fertile area. Pulie was a very hard-working man, so he tilled paddy there. His paddy grew abundantly and the plants were heavy with grain. But Pulie was very upset when he found that many of the paddy stalks have been twisted together and kept in a heap. The crop was being ruined in this way. Pulie immediately knew it was the work of some wild creatures. He decided to keep watch in the night and see if he could catch the animal and kill it. Many nights went by without him seeing anything. Still, Pulie did not abandon his watch. Then, on a bright moonlight night, he saw a huge snake crawl into his field and began to eat the paddy. It ate voraciously and had eaten most of the paddy. Pulie threw his spear and the snake died from Pulie's spear wound. He went home and told his family about the giant snake he had killed. But in a few days, Pulie grew very sick and was bedridden. His wife made different kinds of broths to revive him, but nothing worked. He did not respond to any of the native cures that they had and soon died. His relatives were very sad and mourned him with heavy hearts. Then they buried him and tried to pick up the threads of their lives and go on. Some weeks later, his wife went to the field with the other relatives. They went to harvest the field tilled by Pulie. When they reached the field, they found the harvest golden and ripe. They saw the evidence of the diligent way Pulie had worked. It made them remember him and they wept afresh. In the traditional fashion, the wife called out, "Pulie," and mourned him. But when she called out his name, a voice was heard answering from afar, "Ui," meaning yes. This happened several times. His relatives excitedly ran up to find the source of the voice. It led them to the mouth of a deep, dark hole. So they concluded, the snake he had killed must be the spirit guardian of this area. Therefore, Pulie's death must have been spirit-induced, and surely this is where his soul has found its resting place. Then they set up a sitting place at the top of the area and called it Pulie Badze, or Pulie's sitting place. It lies close to the hole from which they had heard him answering them. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to discover more enchanting tales.
Okay, so maybe one day you can visit or I can visit the Pulie Badze. Yeah, for me this is sound real, guys. It's not like something fictional. How do you say it? It's not like a lie. It sounds true for me because we African also, we do have such kind of a story, guys. Like this, honestly, I can't believe if they name a place like this. So I'm pretty sure if you're watching from Nagaland, guys, can you tell me is this story true? Because they already made a place there with a Pulie Badze. So it means that is really something true. But from this story, guys, so what happened is that is it the snake? Is it the snake who killed Pule or what? Because Pule threw the arrow. He tried to kill the snake. Then after some time he felt sick. He died. They buried him. It's a little bit confusing for me. You know that? Because if the snake is the one who killed Pule or swallowed the Pule, then for me it will be it will make sense for me a little bit. But anyway, I'm not saying that the story is not real, because such thing happen, because you sometimes you will not understand it, but it is true that such things used to happen back in the days. So due to such incidents, then they will name the place or the history according to the incident which happened. But you can let me know, guys. You're watching from Nagaland. Tell me, is this true or not? You can let me know much more, guys. Thank you so much. Love from Africa, and maybe one day I will visit Pulie Badze. Love you all. Till next time.